Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Sutar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Power BI. Today in this tutorial, I will explain funnel chart in the Power BI. Let's move to the screen. So first we are going to open the Power BI desktop application. So go to click the Windows button and write down Power BI desktop. The application will pop up on the top. Just click on the icon and it will open. Once the application open, we will see this pop-up window. From the pop-up window, you can create a new report as well, or you can use the previously created report. I will use a previously created report that available in the recently used file. And here it is. So I have loaded my previously created file that I will use. And today we will see the funnel chart in this tutorial. So first we are required to load the data. So today I will not use the same previously loaded data of the supermarket because funnel chart required some different visualization. So we will take the data by just copy paste. I found the nice data. It is here. This is the stages of the such kind of the campaign of the email sent campaign, and those are the processes. Like after sending the email, how many people viewed the email, how many people clicked on the link, how many people add to cart, and how many people have purchased. So this is the good data for the funnel chart. So I will just click this table, copy it, and come back to the Power BI. Now I will just do create a new table by just copy paste. So I will just expand this ribbon area and see it here. Here is enter data. I will click on that, and here is the area will pop up where I can just paste my data that I have copied. So I will just Control V and paste it here, and we can see it here. The Power BI has updated the headers itself, the first row as header. So it is fine for me. I will just, if you want to change the name of your table, you can change it. I will just let it be and just load it. It will take up for a moment. Yeah, and here we can see the data that I have copy paste. It is loading to creating the model, and it has been done. And I can see my another data set available here. And from that data set, it has only two columns. One is a stage and second is a user. So first, today's subject is a funnel chart. So we will click anywhere in the blank area, go to the visualization, build visual, and here is our funnel chart. Click on the funnel chart. After click on the funnel chart, we will see the blank funnel chart will pop up on the canvas. And we can see under the build visual, what are the values that we needed to provide. So number one is a category, second one is a value. So in the category, I will drag and drop the stages. In the values, I will drag and drop the users. And here we can see our simple funnel chart is right. This funnel chart is showing the progress following the stages that we have aligned in the category. So here, this chart says that the mail has sent to the 6,000 customer, but out of 6,000, 4,000 customer has viewed the email. Out of 4,000, 2,000 person has clicked on the link that provided in the email. Out of 2,000, there are 1,000 person has add to the cart, and 1,000 person has purchased the product. Funnel chart is simply explaining the data along with the category that we have provided. So here we can see from this category to this category, what is the ratio. Here is 100% saying inside is a value, but when we click on bring the cursor on the value, we can see it is 100% that which we have sent to the 100% user. We bring back to the down and down bar and check 68% has been viewed. 43% of the viewed has clicked, and 29% of the total first row, that in the total has been clicked. And this is the way we can see until reaching to the last stage what is the how the funnel is going to say. Yeah, so let's do some formatting part. Click on the visual, go to the formatter visual and see the options over there. So under the visual, we can see the color option. We have include our all the bar available with the blue color. So I will not change it. Go to the data label. We have included the data label. That's why we can see it here. But all the numerical value, there should be the option for changing the display unit under the values that we can change from 1000. It is auto. Let's do it a million. I think 1000 is fine, or done. Then it would be much better. Background of the values. Add the background of the values. That's also fine. Category label. So category label available on the left side that we can see. We can do the text formatting on the category label, like make it bold or change the color. That you can do. Conversation rate. Conversation rate available on the top and bottom. So that's also text part, and we can do the text formatting from here. That's all we can perform in the funnel chart. There are no more options available here. We can go to the general and check. In the general, we can do the general formatting for complete chart. So I like to add the background. I would like to add the visual border. I will make it rounded corner. I will add the shadow to my chart, and that's all. Title, my current title is sum of user by stages. So I will remove the sum and keep the users instead of sum. I will bring my title to, I will write a divider. I will bring my title to the center, and it is here. This is our complete funnel chart is writing. So funnel chart is simply presenting the progress over the stages that we have provided. So here our stages are: we have sent, viewed, clicked, add to cart, and purchase. Those are our stages. That's all about the funnel chart. I hope you liked today's video. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.